Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It helps other members know when I'm posting videos. Well, today we're going to be making a recipe. It's going to be lasagna for keto, and this recipe comes to you from Annie from Keto Focus, and I made this several times in the past. And to replace the traditional noodles, we're going to be using turkey breast, and you can use chicken breast or any deli meat. This is deli meat. And then we're going to be using 2080 ground chuck organic. I happen to have a pound already thawed out. 3 cups of mozzarella cheese and some whole regatta cheese, and some of my favorite sauce from the Reyes company, and this is the marinara brand, and we're going to use about a cup out of this because we're trying to keep the carbs down low today. So without further ado, let's just go right into the recipe, and from this point on, I'm just going to have music going, and I may come back or I may not come back and talk about it. But once you got, and we're going to layer everything up in layers, and I may add some spices to it, some Italian seasoning and some oregano seasoning, the salt, pepper, and onion powder, and garlic powder, all the taste. And once that's all incorporated into the ground beef, we'll come back and we'll prep it with the overhead camera and pop that in the oven and show you the final product when it's completed. And when you have it in the oven, you put it in at 400 degrees for about 30-40 minutes, and then when you take it out of the oven, let it sit for a little while before you have it, and then we'll probably cut a slice out of it. But I absolutely love lasagna, and you can pack a ton of carbs with the traditional noodles. So we're going to make it the keto way, and without further ado, let's go right into it. And from this point on, it'll just be music. And, oh yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.